to draw the tiger Derpy. Get your Sharpie. We are going to
Derpy.
write Derpy. I'm going to write the Y. Okay, now we're going to start drawing Derpy. We're going to start drawing his tongue first, and then some teeth, and these teeth that he has. Now, going to do this, some teeth underneath that, and there you go. Don't forget to go over. So they drew it for you. Now we are going to colour in the inside of the mouth. And then draw his nose. Really easy. And then now draw his eyes. I think I should draw a bit. Eyeball, and then that's eyeball.
That looks funny.
And then that's it.
It looks funny. Yours looks funny.
And now I draw eyebrows. Doesn't have to be it. Oh! Now 1,
Do funny and mad.
2, 3. Another one.
1, 2, 3. He has 3 eyebrows. And I think the blacks are like the demon patterns for Derpy, maybe. Demon Derpy.
You mean Derpy, not Derby.
Derpy.
No.
Funnier. Suppose the eyeballs look funny,
Mm-hmm.
and the mouth looks funny.
No, you're very thin. And we make the hand face here. Across up here. And coming down again, coming all fluffy. Now we're going to draw its paw. My one looks like humans. Draw this. Now, draw this part like this, and then a very massive and then short tail.
A very
And then
massive butt.
Down and there.
And then I'm gonna draw the tail.
Now at the end of the tail we have to colour it in. I'm going to draw these. Now we're going to draw the lines. We're going to draw some on the leg as well. It's like it's wearing a woolly jumper. To colour in. Get your red and then
What about
colour
the
the
legs at the
tongue.
back? I can't even see any legs at the back. So the pink for my tongue. And a pink squeaky nose too. With a nose. I'll do my nose and then you can do your nose on that pink.
Okay, now get your light blue.
I have this blue.
And then colour the light blue.
Try.
Oh wait, and also here for the eye. Now we're going to colour in the eyes, dark blue and green. Dark blue is for the inside. Green is for the outside.
I don't have green, but I have kind of
Then use this. Okay.
It looks kind of weird. I'm doing that one.
And then the yellow for
Big. Need 4 colours for the eyes. So let's do green. Around. This is a nice green. And then blues.
Let's colour in the tip.
and then orange and yellow. We're gonna do them for the eyes.
Oh wait, can I use your pink, please?
Okay.
Thank you. We forgot to color in the ears.
Wait, this is not.
I'm going to go on to the dark blue parts of the tiger.
So, is that when you colour the whole place in?
Yeah, the big part. The big part has finally come. Wait, I just did the wrong blue. I know I did the wrong blue.
Oh no. Missing my stock. I'm doing mine quickly, yeah.
I think you have to overlap these.
I think it's fine. The face. Will it be so dark?
Sorry guys, the camera was off and this is the final picture. You can draw like this. Well done everyone. Don't forget to subscribe. See you next time. Bye!